Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, we're gonna learn about spread operator in JavaScript. Basically, spread operator provide us privilege to obtain a list of parameters from the array. Let's do all this practically. I had opened my JS fiddle. Let we have an array which have two elements, 1 and 2. Let's print this value in the console dot log array. If I'm gonna run this, the expected output is 1 and 2. Here you can see. If I wanna add element in the array, or I'm using this element of this array and without affecting that array. So here I'm gonna create a secondary AR2 that will equal to AR. So basically we use triple dot for creating a spread operator. So when I'm gonna print the value of secondary, it's showing all elements of the array. Here you can see output is same. What if I'm gonna add some element in this array? So here you can just separate it with a comma and put your element here. Rerun your program. Here you can see we had one more element in the array, and if I check the value of our first array, it is does not affect the value of that array. We can use spread operator for our function as well. If we have a function which containing 2, 3, or you can take multiple arguments, and there we need to pass the argument, and we can simply use spread operator there as well. So let me give a quick example for this. I wanna print the sum. So console.log, and here I'm gonna create a method. Inside sum, I'm gonna pass some arguments, and let's create an array for this as well. So here I'm gonna create an array using variable var. It will take 1, 2, and 3 elements. So inside sum, just simply use spread operator, and here I'm gonna pass value array, and here I'm gonna define a function. That function keyword using sum here, and inside it I'm gonna pass 3 argument, 1 ABC, and it will simply return the value of A plus B plus C. Let's run this program. There you can see it provides us sum of all of 3 elements in the array. We can do one more thing, like if I have uh, 2 more elements, suppose D and E here as well. So I'm gonna return the value of all of these, sum of all of these value. So you can just simply separate with a comma, and here you can pass the value of remaining 2 elements. So when you're gonna run this program, here you can see the output. It prints sum of all of elements. Like we have 3 elements in our array, and I had passed 2 extra elements here. By using spread operator, we can also merge the object. Let me clear this one. I'm gonna create a object variable. Object1 is equal to, it holds some value, like name is equal to ABC, name colon ABC, and age of 18. After that, I'm going to create another object and give it name of object2, and I'm going to change the name. Value of name is xyz and age of 30. Now I'm going to create a arrow function, and I'm giving it name of const merge objects that will hold one argument, and using separate spread operator I'm going to create reference of this, and after that I'm creating the arrow, and it will simply return the object. So now if I'm gonna merge the object, like I'm gonna merge both of object in a single object, so like print simply console dot log and use the reference of merge object, and here simply pass the value of object1 and object2. Put semicolon here. Let's see the output. There you can see it has created two objects, but it is not in a single object. Here I need separate operator. That's fine. Now rerun the program. There you can see it has two objects. At the 0 position it has our first object 1 value of like age 18 and name is ABC, and at the second it has another object which have called age of 30 and name of XYZ. So by using this spread operator we can merge the object as well. Now here is question like can we merge the array as well? Like if I have two array of array 1, I'm gonna give it some value of like 1 and 2 elements. There is 2 elements in that array. Similarly I'm going to create the second array, and inside it I'm going to insert 2 elements as well, 3 and 4, and let console dot log use spread operator and array 1 and array 2. So as expected it will show the output 1, 2, 3 and 4. So similarly we can concat two array using spread operator as well. What if you I'm gonna insert some more element in that. So like here we have the value of our first array, and next we have value of our second array, and if you wanna insert some more element you can just separate by comma, and after 4 we have 5, and after comma we have 6. So it will simply show us value of our first array, second array, and two elements we have inserted. So it will concat all of these. When we're gonna run this program, there you can see the output. Also, if you wanna call the second array first, and then after the first array, you can simply change the name as well. Like in JavaScript, we can unshift these, so that's a long process. By using spread operator, we can simply do this. There you can see the output. First we have the value of our second array, then we have the value of first array, then we have the two element which has concat separately. So there are different things you can do with a spread operator that make code very easy and very sure. So hope all of you got what we can do with the spread operator. So give a big thumbs up to this video, and if you are new, then subscribe the channel as well.